Hi, I'm George Smith. I work at the MarineMax storage store. We're going to do a walkthrough today on the 25 Boston Whaler Outrage. She comes with the twin 225s on this particular model. Let's have a little closer look at the boat. You can see there's a live well on the back. This is a nice combination fishing and cruising boat. Huge live well, huge fish boxes in the floor for a 25-footer. They're massive all the way through on both sides. Fold-away aft seat. An additional live well over here, so there's two live wells. Pop-up cleats on the stern, plus under the gunnel cleats. This one is available to install whatever electronics you like. Sometimes we put Raymarines on. The Garmin's available, of course. Mercury Smartcraft system. As you can see, the hard top is all powder coated, very well constructed. This particular one also has the side seats for trolling seats to look aft. As we walk forward, the enclosed head is in here. Plenty of seating out on the bow. Armrests to make your life much more comfortable. And a big cooler up in the bow here area also. Automatic anchor, the power anchor. My name is George Smith. I'd be glad to show you the boat in more detail. 772-287-4495 or my cell 908-675-6746.